This is DeepSeek V4 Flash Vision, the multimodal model running this session right now. It is a vision and agent model. That means it can look at a screen, read what it sees, and then act on it, the same way you would. Watch it work. First, vision. The model takes a screenshot of the live screen and understands the layout, the windows, the text, the buttons. It reads the visual world directly, not just text. Next, computer use. The model drives a real browser. It opens a page, reads the content, and decides what to click next. This is agentic control. The model turns what it sees into actions. Vision and computer use, in one fast model. DeepSeek V4 Flash Vision, seeing the screen, and acting on it. That is what you just watched.